So when I saw that she's given a complaint to the police that I have falsified the documents and that I have forged it and I'm trying to implicate in a criminal case, and that I should be arrested and put behind bars. Again, it showed the girl's mental attribute and as to what she wants to do. Anyway, I went to the police and I told them to find out what the truth is. And in 2 days' time, they secured the 3 witnesses. The 3 witnesses who were there during when the marriage took place in the register office. Who the 3 gentlemen who signed as witnesses, they were still living in the same address, which was there in the register office, and they came forward and said yes, the marriage did take place, and we were the witnesses. And this is the girl that that other person got married to. And now the 3 witnesses the 3 of them are all lawyers. So what do they say holds ground, because if they lie, they lose their job. They lose the bar council will debar them from practicing law anymore. So when those 3 gentlemen came and said, okay, this marriage was true and we are lawyers, I was like shocked, very hurt. And meanwhile, I had to go to the court on June 18th. This took place on June 13th, so 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 4 days. All this witnesses were produced and everything was getting confirmed that yes, this marriage did take place. I don't know what to do. I was totally shocked. I was like really destroyed would be the word, because I really wanted to make sure this marriage worked. I tried everything under the sun to make sure this marriage would work. I went through a lot of humiliation, a lot of public insults, and my name was smeared all across society. Everybody thought I was a bad person. Even though I got a good name for the last 17 years, suddenly out of the blue, this 1.5 years, people thought of me and my family as a traumatizer of a girl for money. I took everything to stride, because I said, okay, maybe when you start living with this girl again, she will come out of the truth saying no such thing happened, and then life goes on. But on June 18th, I went to the court and I said I'm just going to withdraw my petition for restitution of conjugal rights. That's it, because I haven't decided what my future steps are going to be. I was still reeling under shock. I didn't know what my next steps are or what they're going to be. So I just wanted to withdraw my petition. But even there, in the court, the opposite side, they immediately jumped in and said, okay, we want the maintenance. I thought at least then they'll fight. No, the girl wants to live with the boy. The girl genuinely wants. That's what I thought they would say, but I was living in a dream world, and all I ever got to hear was, please give an exemplary compensation or maintenance. It was a very technical word used by a learned advocate in the proceedings. Anyway, they were prepared for everything, I suppose. And the only thing in the mind was money, money and money. Because I suppose if the girl really did want to come and live with me, she could have said, no, please don't allow him to withdraw credit, or I'm willing to go right now. No, nothing. Just that, okay, fine, just give us money. And again, that brought another outlook to the entire picture. Meanwhile, June 19th, the prime witness was secured by the police. He gave his statement saying that yes, I did get married to this girl. So now everything's proven, everything's in the court now. It's all left in the hands of the police and the judiciary. Because if their marriage is proven that the marriage did take place, which is so now, the marriage did take place, that makes my marriage null and void. So it's put me in a very, very uncomfortable position. what really shocks me now is the attitude of the girl. Even after I've showed so much of willingness to live with her, she made sure that she does things which complicate the issue and make sure that we don't get back together. Because I heard through common sources that someone went and told the girl that if you go for a 498, that means you're losing all your chances of living with your husband. You're losing every chance, even the small chance that you and your husband can live back together, that you're losing that. And it seems the girl has said, yes, I know, and I want to go ahead with the 498. So, right now I'm totally, I don't know what to say, just that what has happened in my life should not happen to anyone else, because so much of trauma, so much of pain, so much of, I had a lot of expectations. I thought maybe I've lived back. I didn't want my son to grow up in a broken atmosphere. All that is destroyed now. And it hurts even now to think that the girl did not even do anything to come and live with me. I'd rather than the fact just say, I won't live with my husband, I won't live with my husband. And my mindset in the entire process is that it's very difficult for a human being, because once you go, anybody goes through this process of a 498 or the harassment that happens after that, the torment that takes place, because legally it's a very powerful law. And when I hear so many cases right now, Save India Family Foundation, when I met the gentleman, when I've seen, and I'm hearing so many people being, alleged falsely, misinterpreted by society. When a 498, is slammed against you, everyone believes the girl. Even your best friends turn against and says, yeah, maybe you would have done it. I don't know. Even your relatives look upon you, as maybe you would have done it. So I hear so many different people, coming and telling their plight, that relatives don't believe you, friends don't believe you, the world doesn't believe you, even though that you're innocent. It's such a thing that, when a girl goes and says yes. The law is a wonderful law, it's there to protect women, but it's a shield that is to protect women. It's just that when mischievous people, when the wrong kind of people use it as a weapon, it destroys the productive life of any human being. It destroys the faith a man has in life. It destroys the family values that he comes in. Because India is nothing but culture, rich in heritage. And whatever you said and done, yes, we do have Western influences, but still, at the end of the day, we live in a culture where we respect elders, we treat everybody with love and affection. And a 498 and a girl who doesn't want to live with husband, and she goes upon and falsifies and implicates not only the husband but the entire family, the parents, they are called the privileged classes, that's the elderly people. They are put into a lot of trouble, they are put into a lot of mental agony, anguish. The brother and sister of the husband, they go through pure torture. Even little kids, young as 3 years old, was arrested and put in the Tihar jail on a 498 case.